And this was written well before the flat earthers were a thing, but it could be taken as a send-up of that. Now it can be told. The whole Copernicus thing was a hoax. The earth circling the sun, a convenient fiction. The church had it right all along. The sun rises, the sun sets. It is thus because I have willed it. I lean forward, chin on my fist, in the manner of Rodin's thinker. My face is red, getting redder. Veins are bulging in my temples. I wouldn't be surprised if my eyes popped like firecrackers. This is what it takes to bring the sun up in the morning. I can tell you, though, it's taking its toll. I've got blood pressure problems, capillaries bursting in my extremities, doctors nagging me about apoplexy. Spent like a wrestler. I put wet towels about my head, about my shoulders. My throat's so dry that I reach for beers, a six-pack or more, all before noon. I think I've developed an alcohol problem. I don't mind the sacrifice. I'm a thoroughgoing altruist, more than a saint to my own mind. But if you want to know the truth, I'm damn grateful for rainy days, for long spells of wet weather.